The results of the trade, the AUDUSD, taken on Monday, August 7th. So this trade was driving me crazy. I kind of stepped away for a little bit. So once I entered right here, price pulled down, and then it pulled back up. And so from here is I already had this supply demand zone in place, and I knew if it broke through it, then I would be looking. It would have potentially been a buy instead of a sell. So once it came here again is when I looked over here and saw this area of supply, and big candles went through it to the impetus level for this trend. I mean, price closed here, but it also eventually closed and pushed through it. And then, another thing too. So when price was moving down, the 4 crossed the 20. It gently closed on the 50. It's hard for me to show that with that right there. Let me hide this. All right, so the 20 so price closed a little bit on the 50 before pushing down and pushing back through the 20 moving average again. So then it played out. Price was continuing to move, and then I didn't delete it, did I? Oh, right here. And then price began. I had looked away for a moment and saw that price came really close to hitting my target, and then this big candle right here came up. So I figured, let me see if I can potentially get price to move back down. It engulfed all of these candles. So I had the thought that price would eventually be bullish again. However, it was uncertain. So then I put in this impetus level for this particular trend, and price just kept tap dancing on it multiple times. Price pushed back down again. I was feeling hopeful that I could get my target met down here. And price just continued to move up. And so once the 4 in price crossed through the 20, I went ahead and exited right here at the impetus break, as well as price being in this area. 2, I was looking at the volume beginning to change. Still have the bullish sentiment. This could just potentially be a pullback for the continuation down, but I went ahead and secured what I had, so before it took everything that I had earned. So yeah, that's the result for the AUD USD.